Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder, and after that just launch the Gmail application. Here you should click on the right upper corner, and now you can see that we are logged in into 2 accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should to log out from the Google account on our device. So how to do that? We just should click here to manage accounts on this device. And now as can you see, we just launched the Google account settings. Just to remove to log out from one from this account, which for example from the first one, click here and then click here remove account. Now just confirm your action by click again to remove account. Wait a second, and now as can you see that in the Google account settings will stay only with one account. And now we should go back into the Gmail app, and we can check and see that in application we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's how to remove the Gmail account from our from Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.